Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into the SPY ETF. We initially released a report on our website on Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate with a score of 1.17. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have witnessed an impressive gain of 10.27% since we first recommended SPY as a buy candidate 50 days ago. This means that, on average, you could have earned a return of 0.21% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 14.98% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 12.80% to 18.18%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 16.44% change over the next year. This could result in a return ranging from 4.21% to 17.61%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $494.94 to $558.55 after a year. Our latest update for SPY indicates a red day on Tuesday. The SPY ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.369% on Tuesday, January 16, 2024. It went from $476.68 to $474.92. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.748%, ranging from a low of $473.06 to a high of $476.60. In the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of 0.08% overall. On the last day, volume increased by 22 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could be seen as an early warning sign, as there may be a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $36.06 billion worth of SPY shares were bought and sold, with a total of 76 million shares exchanged. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $478.60, while the lowest price was $380.65. At present, the price is 0.77% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $3.68. Additionally, it is 1.05% below the all-time high, which occurred on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $479.98. Today, let's take a look at the signals for SPY. Currently, there are mixed signals in the ETF. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, and it has fallen by -0.371% so far. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the ETF. On the positive side, the SPY ETF has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. There's also a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there will be support from the lines at $474.41 and $467.26. However, if the ETF breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth noting that the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special combination. This combination is rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a sell signal. Pivots, we had a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, we had a buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, we had a buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, we had a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. In this video, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for SPY. Let's start with the support level. SPY currently has support from accumulated volume at $469.33. This means that when the price approaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the price. Moving on to the risk factor, SPY is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity. This makes the risk associated with trading this stock very low. For example, in the last day, the ETF moved between its high and low by $3.54, or 0.748% of its value. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 0.84%. Let's now delve into potential day trading levels for SPY. If there is an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY stands at $475.31. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $469.33. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. For this video, we will be discussing a recommended stop-loss level of $460.54 for this particular ETF, which represents a decrease of 3.03%. It's important to note that this ETF tends to have relatively low daily movements, which translates to lower risks for investors. Furthermore, our analysis has identified a sell signal based on a pivot top that was observed 11 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, we have identified several short-term signals that indicate a positive trend for SPY ETF. Therefore, there is a fair chance that it may perform well in the short term. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected an overvaluation in the current price after analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 17th, we anticipate SPY to open down by $0.0600 and begin trading at $474.86. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. What target do you have for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful time ahead. Best regards from all of us at StockInvest.